nvidia is suffering from what's called well, it's a series of actual issues based on Python. Python is what these AI systems run on, and it's a programming language that powers these large language models. That's how they get their operational abilities, their functions come out of this programming language called Python. Unfortunately, Python has a series of security vulnerabilities that make it so that anybody can get access to any one of these AI systems that are running on particular NVIDIA Triton hardware. They can take over the entirety of an AI cloud-based system or anything that runs on one of these pieces of hardware using these Python backends. So one more time, we see the issue behind all of this centralized power, which is it's a dual-edged sword. On the one hand, it provides people with the ability to see everything about you, especially as you spill your guts out to these things. On the other hand, it also provides mechanisms upon which other people can also get this information about you. And if you use these security vulnerabilities in the right order, if you know what you're doing, you can gain access to these LLMs on the hardware that they're running on, and you can extract all kinds of information on them.